everybody, and so, just so you know, sorry I haven't been posting in a while, but today I am doing a collaboration with, drumroll please, Kitty Palace. Hey! If you haven't watched anything on her channel yet, go to it. It's just Kitty Palace, and then if it's not on the first page, just click filters, and then it'll see channel, and then it'll probably be the first one. So we're going to do a try not to laugh challenge, and whoever laughs, they have to stick their hands in a bowl of ice cold water, and it is really, really cold outside, so just saying.
Obviously, because it's winter.
Okay, so hold on.
Look at that.
Okay, let's do this one.
Okay.
Okay.
There you
Okay, nope, I wasn't laughing.
Gonna fall out.
Ooh.
Ow. I've seen this one.
Ooh. I saw that.
I've seen that before. Oh, you laughed. You laughed. After the video, you have to stick your hand
Okay,
in
so
ice cold water.
I laughed. We're doing that. So I'm just saying I lost. Oh my gosh.
I've seen that before.
Oh, I've seen this. This is hilarious.
I know. Ow.
And oh yeah, if you laugh, and this last time, we both have to do it.
I know.
So.
That's just weird. I've seen that before.
Oh.
Ow. Oh, I know
Ah.
what it's gonna do.
Oh, I couldn't imagine that. It fell in the hole. Hey, that's Bob Saget,
I know.
Full House.
That's also in
Oh.
AFE. He's
Yeah.
also the director in
really?
AFE.
Oh, that looks horrible.
You laughed again, but it's...
I know. Oh.
Whoa. Scaredy cat.
Oh.
Ow.
Oh.
Silly string in the eye.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, now I had to. That was hilarious.
Okay, I think we should stop now
Okay.
because this is 10 minutes.
Okay, so now, like we said, and we do not lie, we are going to go get a bowl.
Here,
with
I'll go get
ice
it
cold
for
water,
you. You stay
and
here.
Get water from the bathroom because it's freezing cold.
Yeah.
Like, because I was washing my hands earlier, and like my hands like were hurting. They were all numb. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did get my hair dyed. I don't know if you can see it, but I got pink over here and blue over here, and then in the back I've got some colors. I don't know if you can tell or if you can see it, but yeah, and so I know y'all haven't seen this background. This is my cousin's house, and that's my cousin. But honestly, I thought of that ice cold water thing like last minute, so goals. So I think she's on her way. Whoa. Oh yeah, by the way, please subscribe to her. She only has freaking 4 subscribers. Oh yeah, and if you subscribe, comment down below that you subscribed and put on post notifications. And I might just give you a shout out, and I might just give away some squishies. So yeah, and it's freezing. Okay, so we got the water.
Okay.
And
Oh, my hand is cold. I put my
Okay.
hand in it.
Okay, so see it's oh my god, that's cold. Okay, so it's what
My
okay,
hand's red
so
because
as
of
you
it.
probably heard earlier, the water in that bathroom is freezing without ice in it anyway,
Yeah.
and there's ice in it. So this is gonna be really bad. Okay, I laughed first, so I have to do it. So
10 seconds. I'll count to 10.
okay, so hold on.
Okay.
I gotta fix up the camera.
There.
Okay, so you can see the bowl. It has ice water in it. So I'm gonna pull. I gotta pull up my sleeves. Take my rubber. Here, I'm gonna put my hair up real fast, and then we will do that. And I'm going to get freezing cold, and I'm probably gonna get a cold, but who cares? It's all for y'all. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my God, this is cold.
1, 2,
Oh,
3,
I wish y'all
4,
could feel this pain.
5,
It's horrible.
6,
Oh,
7,
oh,
8,
oh.
9, 10. Do you dare me to do it? Do
You
dare-
have to.
What?
No, do it. I want you to do it too. Here, hold on. Oh, push that button. That red button. There.
What?
One.
That?
Yeah. Now.
Even though I just laughed, I'm still gonna put my hands in there, okay? You ready? Cause I was born in the winter.
Okay, so
I don't know about you guys, but
Okay.
here in the comments, tell us if you were born in the winter. Please.
Okay, so
And if
I
you
will-
say that, then you may get a shout out.
okay, so I'll count to 10. Wait, do you want it to be 10 or do you want me to put more time?
10.
Okay, ready, y'all? I'm gonna count to 10. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
You're pausing.
9, 9.5,
Stop.
10.
You can't do 9.5.
Yes, I can. It's a
That's
number.
not fair.
9.5 is a number.
You don't have to do it.
I will. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching. And like I said earlier, please go subscribe to her. And yeah, sorry everybody is talking and it's really stupid because we already told. Okay, and stop making silly faces. Okay, so I will see you in our next video. And like I said, if you subscribe and turn on my post notifications, you have a chance to get
shout out.
and I will also
Will you put out merch
I-
sometime?
No, probably not.
Yeah.
But I will reply to some of y'all's comments, and I will like some of y'all comments. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next video.
I mean,
Bye.
meow, meow.